Welcome, amazing ladies and gorgeous women, to my new video. In today's video, we are happy to share with you a wide range of stunning short hairstyling ideas that are perfect for women of all ages. Prepare to be wowed as we showcase various short haircuts, unique pixie cuts, bob hairstyles and more. These amazing hairstyles will make you feel confident and look amazing. So join me today as we explore over 100 unique haircut ideas in gorgeous colors that you can find in this video. Whether you're from the USA, UK, Canada, Poland, or from anywhere else in the world, these hairstyles are suitable for everyone who wants to stay on the top of the latest summer fashion trends. We bring you the most inspiring and fabulous hairstyling ideas. In today's video, we have something really special for you. We will present an exclusive showcase of short hairstyling ideas that are sure to spark your creativity and help you find your perfect look. From pixie cuts to trendy bob hairstyles, we have created a selection that covers a wide range of styles and preferences. So without further ado, let's dive into the captivating world of short hairs. When it comes to short hair styling ideas, the options are endless. In this video, we have selected and handpicked over 100 different haircut ideas that suit various tastes and preferences. You will be mesmerized by the sheer beauty and diversity of colors, styles, and lengths that can enhance your natural features and make a bold fashion statement. One of the highlights of this video is the stunning pixie cut. Pixie cuts are incredibly versatile and can be tailored to suit any face, shape, and personal style. Whether you prefer a sleek and sophisticated look or a more playful look, you will find inspiration in the variety of pixie cuts we showcase. These short hairstyles not only are on trend, but also very appropriate, making them a fantastic choice for busy people still wants to look their best. As you watch this video, you will notice the extraordinary range of colors that can transform your short hairs into a true work of art. From timeless black to warm browns, there is a color to suit your unique style and complement your skin tone. Experimenting with different hair colors can be a fun and exciting way to express your individuality and stand out from the crowd. In addition to the variety of styles and colors, we have included some amazing transformational haircuts in this video. Witness the magic as we showcase women with long hair, worked from bold and confident short haircut. It is truly remarkable how a simple haircut can completely change a person's appearance. And these transformations serve as a testament to the power of a hairstyle to boost self-confidence and make an amazing impact. We hope you're enjoying the video so far. Be sure to watch until the end as we have many more awesome hairstyles to share with you. If you find inspiration in these short haircut ideas, we would love to hear from you in the comment section below. Tell us which styles you like the best and how they inspired you to adopt a new style. If you have not already, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. By doing this, you'll never miss out on any of our latest videos, which are packed with amazing hairstyling ideas, helpful tips, and informative tutorials. We strive to be your go-to source for all things short hair, and we can't wait to share more amazing content with you in the future. Thank you so much for joining us today on our YouTube channel. We hope you enjoyed this display of beautiful and inspiring short hairstyles. Remember, your ultimate destination and hair accessories. And experimenting with different styles is a great way to express your creativity and embrace your individuality. So don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss out on any of our latest trends and fashion content we bring to you through our videos. I hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed creating it for you. Until next time, take care, stay stylish and see you in the next video.